Winter's almost here, guys, so in today's video I'm going to cover a double or triple fin weather strip garage seal. This thing is awesome, guys. This is double layer, or you want to call it triple fin. It's PVC, it's adjustable, and you can see it's help prevent wind from coming in, and also rodent, because it's double layer. The rodent's not going to be able to chew it through. And this is only manufactured, guys, in Canada. You can only get this in Canada. And we got this installed last year because this door we installed. We upgrade a garage door from an R19, and this came with it. But I tell you what, it makes a big difference, guys. Big difference since we installed this. So in today's video, I'm gonna just show you how this has helped prevent the garage from being so cold, and also I'm going to show you how to adjust it. Let me show you, give you an example here. You guys can see when it closed, look how it just smooths, and there's like you got two strips, so two strips prevent air and rodents and draft from coming in. But here last night, or the last couple of days, we got wind. You can see that. If I push the garage back, see how I'm pushing the garage back? It doesn't show any light or any gap. Now from the inside, you won't see any light. So, and again, these are adjustable, guys. Adjustable where if you're actually still seeing gap, you can move it back. For example, here you can see a little gap. I can adjust that. It's closing. Okay, so here what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna adjust it here, because when I'm getting wind drift, wind gusts, and it's pushing this back here, I get a little gap. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna adjust this here, just the PVC rail and door seal back. Again, this is adjustable, guys. So what's nice about it, you can adjust it. The other one, you actually have to take the whole thing apart, nail it, wherever. This one, you just pull back here. See? Just pops out like that. And just comes off just like that, guys. See that? Comes off and pull off. So nice. Put it on the ground here. So I'm gonna loosen these screws. I'm gonna just push back. So what I'm trying to do here, you can see, push this PVC bracket back so that when it does get wind gusts, it's not gonna move so bad. I'm gonna have to take my DeWalt drill and kind of drill a little bit here. All you gotta do is back on, and it just snaps right on. So here I'm gonna show you, when we close the garage, you can see how dark it is in here, how the double layer, triple fin seal works. So I'm gonna close the garage here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all the lights once we close the garage. What you want, when we turn off the lights, you wanna look for is there is no light coming in, and it's a little bit windy out, but not as windy as the last couple of days. Let me see if I can turn this light off for you guys. It's gonna take a while, but you can see here on the side, guys, you want no light coming in, and that's the whole purpose of this double layer seal. Because when you have light coming in, that's telling you the draft, the air, even down at the bottom, the rodents can get into your garage. And with it being a little bit windy out, as you can see earlier when I was adjusting this, you can hear the wind, door being pushed back and forth. But now let's try to mimic it. You see how if I push all the way back, the light's coming in. But it's a lot better. Before, you just a little bit, you get a lot. But you can see my adjustment helped quite a bit. And that's why I was going after. So if it's getting lights coming in, it's no good, but it's a lot better, guys. You see here, I'm pulling the side of this back and there's no light coming in. That's how you adjust your triple fin, double layer door seal. This thing is awesome, guys. Game changer, double layer seal. As you can tell, a big difference. Until next time, guys, take care. Stay warm this winter. Hi guys, in today's video, I want to show you a weather strip I recently purchased. Or actually, it got installed with the door. We upgraded our garage door. And it came with the garage opener. It's actually imported from Canada. And you know up there in Canada, it's really cold. So it's a dual double strip weather strip. And it does a great job. That's why I'm excited. I figure I share this with you. They don't sell it here anywhere locally at like the local Home Depot store or Menards or Lowe's. So there's something you have to special order. And are you ready for this? I'm going to show you guys. Check this out. 2 strip in 1. It's about 3 to 5 mil thick. As you can see here. It's really nice. And this, it just starts just the same way as original weather strip. This one actually, you just pop out. As you can see here, you just pop this off here, and inside there's screws, and you can adjust it left or right. If it's too far out, if there's wind coming in, you can actually move the weather strip closer. But it does a really great job, you guys, and that's the reason why I'm sharing this with you here. Let me go out here and show you guys. Here with the larger door. As you can see here, how it seals it. Really nice. Look at that. So it seals inside here. And then you got your first seal, you got your second seal. So overlaps, it's like sealed tight. It does a really great job, like I mentioned earlier. You can see here, all the way down. Like no wind. It's kind of windy here today, and I'm gonna close the garage door here. Let you guys see. You can see how it's a little bit windy out here, and it doesn't. Let's see here. You can see the wind, and there's air tight too. If the door, you close to your garage door, if it's pitch dark, that means it's airtight. That means the seal is doing its job. So let's see here. We close it, and then I'm gonna turn off. There's a little light over there. The garage opener. I'm gonna turn that off here. Let's see here. And voila! You see that? There is no air leak whatsoever. No air leak. And it is a little windy out there. And you see here, it doesn't, yeah, you see a little bit, but that's not, no, that's actually from the door itself. But you see how sealed tight that is. I'm gonna open the garage door back up here. Now, there are some people actually will upgrade the hinges here. Let me show you guys here. We'll update the hinges like right here with spring-load hinges. And what happened with that is that does help. So with the hinges, you upgrade the hinges. These hinges right here, they sell them with spring-load. So what they do is they push the door forward. That does help, but over time that will wear out your motor, your garage opener motor, because there's so much tension, going up and down. With this weather strip, it actually is not. It's better for your garage opener, so that's why I recommend. But the hinges does work, but you're gonna shorten. I believe you're gonna shorten your garage opener. So again, I really highly recommend if you can get a hold of this here, and I'll put the name of the company that I got this from. Again, they don't sell this at the local hardware store. So this is something you have to special order, but this is, again, game changer for us. A garage actually has gotten a lot warmer. Doors, this is an R19 value door. So it's a heavy duty insulated door. Another thing that I recommend you guys upgrade your garage door, get insulated R value 19. It does make a difference. It is heavier. So something to think about. If you do get it, you're gonna have to get strong. Like this one actually for a single door usually it's only 1 spring, but this one had to use 2 spring because it's so heavy. Then your garage opener, make sure it can handle the load. So guys, with the double seal here, insulation, let's see how the thermal camera picks up the heat. It looks pretty good. You can see there is a little cold air coming through, but with the double seal, it does a really good job. Again, this garage door is an R19 value. And using a thermal cam, you can see that the dark spot are the colder area. And you see how there is not much cold air coming in on the side of the thermal camo. So I really recommend you guys to get a double seal. That it does a lot better. You don't get a lot of wind drift coming in the garage. Check the bottom of the garage here. And again, just going over, it's a real good investment, really great investment to get those. So I recommend it. I figure I'd share with you guys because, again, I'm very excited. It's a game changer for me in the garage. It's really comfortable now, and we can actually, I can like work in the garage in the winter, and it has helped reduce the wind, the coldness, and it's gonna, keep everything in here more warmer. I have a lot of machinery where I have to trigger charge it, and this is gonna help it. So highly recommend it, guys. So until next time, take care, insulate your house, keep warm, stay warm, and until next time, take care.